In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a DM on Discord. A direct message, or DM, is a private conversation between you and another person. It's perfect for sharing details you don't want in a public channel, following up after a group chat, or simply saying hello without cluttering the server conversation. We'll keep this simple and clear, so you can do it in seconds. First, open the server where both of you are members. This matters because you'll be starting the DM from a shared space. If you and the person you want to message are in the same server, you can access their profile directly from there. Make sure you're actually inside that server, not just on your home screen or in another community. Next, find them in the member list. This list is usually on the right side of the screen when you're viewing a server. It shows everyone who's currently in that server, often grouped by roles or online status. Scroll through the list until you see their username. Take your time here. Names can look similar, and roles might group people in sections, so check carefully to make sure you've got the right person. When you've found them, right-click their username. A small menu will appear with options related to that user. From this menu, select Message, sometimes labeled Send Message. This tells Discord you want to open a private conversation with that person, separate from the server channels. Once you click that option, the DM window opens. You'll see a private chat thread between you and them. Type your message in the text box at the bottom and then send it. Keep your message clear and to the point, especially if it's your first time reaching out. A friendly greeting and a brief reason for your message go a long way. If it's important, consider proofreading before you hit send so your tone and details are right. That's all it takes. Open the shared server, find them in the member list, right-click and choose Message, then type and send your note. If you don't see the option to message or the send fails, it may mean the person has restricted DMs or has privacy settings that limit who can contact them. In that case, you'll need to respect their settings. Thanks for watching. With these steps, you can confidently start a private conversation on Discord whenever you need to.